kay Ma'am Eva Olivares, kay Mayor Eric Olivares, and then afterwards naman, sa graduation po, pwede naman po magpa-picture, especially the side ngayon, na meron logo ni Olivares.
Balak na ba?
Hanap ka muna na for graduation.
Forward, sir. Forward.
Next, we have Argus Roan R. We have Bacollan Angelica Q. We have Kedaso Jennifer G. Next, we have Dan Nancy H. The graduates will receive their NC2 certificate that signifies that they passed the Kupiri NC2 assessment. We have the Leon Errol C. The Lord Cheryl L. Estorque Jude Silent B.
Warm lang. Paradyo mo na lang.
Felonia Mirachel D. Contanilia Kim O. Garcia Chardin E. Gatchalian Desiree E. Hugo Anamerda E. Himera Gwyneth Kyla R. Nando Jose Leo D. Dimo Rhea Chanel E. Mendoza Micaela Marie F. Karil C. Barinas. Dimora Jamaica M. Rojas Jeffrey D. Sanchez Louis C. Saud Amina M. Saud Amina M. Saud. Saud. And last, but not least, under Thomas Malet and Ella Olivares graduates, we have Sorili Chardel F. Congratulations to our batch 14. Let's call the graduates of Kupiri NC2 Batch 15 under Congressman Brian Yusuan of Tigom Saro Party List. They will also receive their NC2 certificate that signify that they passed the Kupiri NC2 assessment as well as the certificate of recognition under Congressman Brian Yamsuan. So let's start with Andalo Dina G. Next is Bonifacio Bral Dominic T. Bulacan Elena O. Cabo Greya Mabel M. Casina Jennifer P. De Guzman Janice P. Please ready na, Ferdini, tayo na po dyan. We have Lutao Raymart F. Mahalia Mary Joy E. And the most outstanding student of batch 15, Madriaga Selves. Magbanwa Worthy Sayuri G. Narhinyo Cherry L. Pedrosa Joanna. Sumawan Julianti. Versosa Rowena G. And last but not the least, Villaveto Luna S. And these are the graduates of our Bukiri NC2 under Congressman Brian Yamsuan. Let's welcome the graduates of Caregiving NC2, the first graduate of Caregiving after the pandemic. We have Agonoy Bill Franklin, Alvarado Ace G. Bella Claire A. Jeanette A. Production NC2, Sanchez Justin Allison C. Sariego Aideen C. Santa Rosa Jocelyn C. William Staris Gladys G. Villegas Rodita E. Congratulations to our Red and Face Production 2 NC2 graduates. Before we hear something or a inspirational message from our guests, may we request to award the most outstanding student from the different batches. So for the batch 14, since she's not around, that's Arcus Rohan. For batch 15, may we have Grisel S. Madriaga. Certificate of recognition is proudly presented to Grisel Madriaga in recognition of his or excellent efforts and achievement in being an outstanding student during his her training in Cooking NC2 November 6, 2023 to February 2023.
Alcalde at meron tayong isang alcalde bilang ako rin po ay tinupakan natin sa Pangalan Village po po. 25 years na po ako nakatira sa syudad. Kaya nakasubaybayan po ang pagkasenso ng ating bayan under the leadership of first ating colleagues.
Desiree D. Gatchalian.
Ba't ko pa rin?